Welcome. Today we will see how to make PowerPoint presentations from your own Android mobile phone. Same procedure will follow children. The same app, Microsoft Office I am using. If you have not already downloaded, you can download from Play Store. So this is the app Microsoft Office. If you download this, you can work on three different softwares: Microsoft Word, Excel, and also PowerPoint. So for now, we will see how to use your PowerPoint presentation. You click on the Microsoft Office icon. Down you will again see a home button, plus button and actions button. Click on the plus button. As soon as you click on plus button, you will get three options. Select documents. After selecting documents, you can see PowerPoint presentation. You can either make from blank presentation or you can also create from template. So if you are online, create from template option will be shown to you. If you are not online, we can make from blank presentation and afterwards we can include the design. So we'll create from blank presentation so that if you are working offline also, you can know how to create. Okay, as soon as you tap on this, you will see this screen. Down you will see all the options, and this plus button will let you add the slide. Right side plus button, this one will let you add the slide. Now if you just double tap on the add title button, suppose you are making a presentation about our topic is internet online surfing, right? So I'll type this heading here: internet online surfing. And if you click on this double tap to add subtitle, you can write your name, class and section here, present prepared by your name and class section, whatever it is. You can introduce yourself in this second subtitle. Now coming back to adding a slide, I am clicking on the plus button on the right side. A slide will be added, and if you want to change the slide, rightmost corner you will see slide options button here, down this one. From there you can select the type of slide you want. For example, I'm clicking on this slide. So if you want two contents are there, comparison is there, whatever is your requirement, you can select from there. So I am going with title and content. Double tap to add title. I am tapping on this one, it will be highlighted. So our heading in this will be what you're going to learn in this chapter. All the subtopics we can write down. Double tap here: popular internet services, popular internet services, first one. Then click on enter button, you can directly get to the second line: netiquettes. Then you have advantages and disadvantages. Next you have, just I'm clicking on the enter button, it's directly taking me to the next line: email, logout, sign out. Various options are there. You can just type whatever subtitles are there, you can type it. And then going to the next slide, again you can use the plus button. If you want to add a picture, I'll click on the small arrow head, right side corner you will see a small arrow head like you see in your Word presentations. Here also, down here you will get home button. As you click on the arrowhead, you will get the home button. From home button you have various options. If you click on home button, you have home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. Okay, so whatever is your requirement. Right now I want to insert a picture, so I am clicking on insert. As soon as I click on insert, you will see these options: new slide, new comment, whatever you want to insert in your presentation, you can insert from here. So I am going for pictures. Then you have photos, cameras. Two options are there. If photos are already there in your phone, You can select photos, or if you want to directly take a picture from your reader, you can click on camera. Live camera will open and you can take this picture. You can crop the picture according to your requirement. Click confirm. Done. So this picture will be inserted in your slide. Okay, so let's again click on this picture button. We'll go to the design tab. We'll add themes to it. Whatever theme you want, you can select from here. Okay, I'm opening my mobile data so that themes can be selected. See here, when you are online, you will get so many options. If you are offline, you have to work on blank presentation. So I've clicked on this themes button. The theme is applied to my presentation here. You can move the picture and place as and where you required. Okay, and then let's add transition effects to it. For transition effects, click on transition buttons. So how you want your slide, if you want different transition for different slide, or you want to carry the same transition effect for all your slide, it depends on you. I'm going with this fall off, apply to all. Then again click on this picture to apply the animation effect to this picture. How you want the picture to enter, various options are there here. It depends on your creativity how you want to make your picture enter. Okay, then going back to the second slide, I want to add animation to this also. Double tap, select the heading or select the text, whichever you want to get animated. Entrance effect, click on entrance effect. Line I am taking, and for this I want them to appear one by one, so I'll apply the animation effects to this first one. Double tap, select entrance effect, grow. So all this will be selected and applied to all these subtopics which you have selected. This transitions and animation effects will be applied to all. This is the basic format of. Now if you want to see how your presentation is looking, about top you will have this button, this one. You can click on that to run your slideshow. Okay, so this is how your slideshow is going to be. These are the animation effects we have added to the text. You can R&D. R&D means you can choose your own and see how it's coming out. Okay, this is the picture we have selected, and beside it you can write the text also. So like this, it's a small presentation, basic presentation. If you want to use your creativity, you can add whatever you want. Okay, all the best.